get started. Here are the ingredients. First, boil a pot with water, chicken bouillon and coconut milk. Once it boils, add in your shabu-shabu balls. We also added some Chinese kikiam, but you can add any toppings you'd like. Leave everything to boil or until cooked. Once it is cooked, it should look like this. Put in your satay barbecue sauce into the shabu-shabu, and mix everything well for at least 3 minutes. Once everything is mixed well, add in your fresh egg noodles, then let it boil. While waiting for your shabu-shabu to boil, mix in some fresh garlic along with your barbecue sauce to make your satay sauce, to add to your shabu-shabu later on. And that is how you make our easy, delicious, and homemade shabu-shabu with balls and noodles.
Yum! So delicious! Thanks for watching.